okay? No matter what it is, what colour, it's irrelevant as long as you've got some. So this is pure pigment down here. And you will see what happens. It makes it solid instantly. And our shade is, well, not worth talking about. It's very flat. Look, you can't see any shadows there. Under the chair, there's a tiny thin line. Because we're looking flat. They're down the hill. So that's my shadow. And there's our first figure. I think there's an eye sticking out there, so we'll go down like that. A little break there. Enough. And now you just simply pick whatever you want and play. And the more you do of them, the more they look like figures. There's a bit of a disturbance here. I think there's a droplet of water. So I'm actually going to put in someone walking here or something like that. He's a bit smaller because he's down by the water. I start with heads. I don't recommend that. That's just for me. Start, as I've showed you, that exercise. Start with a trunk and then put a head on it. I start with heads because I'm a genius. Yeah? It's very simple. He's too dark. So pick that off a little. And it's a good chance to use some nice colours. Nice and blue. And again, back to Nutella. Something strong. Just a bit of it. Now, you will notice that this, you can't do too quickly. You have to be a little bit careful what you're doing. Because one stroke too much and it can be perfect. Yeah. And okay, let's have a little kid with him and her, holding hands, whatever. Dry brush.